Today, let us take a topic which concerns the Junior Rani's constituency. Now, it is well known fact that ever since Junior Rani या मतदारसंघासाठी निवडून येला त्यांनासाठी त्यानं सारको आपल्या हातीन he kept the grip totally in his hands. And it is also a fact that the BJP, with his entire parivar, with various organizations that is along with the BJP, they are fringe elements and everything. They worked very hard to try to disturb that full taluka, Satari taluka, but never succeeded. But now question is Junior Rani, after joining the BJP, losing his grip over the constituency? For example, let us consider the Melauli issue. Now everybody is upbeat that people's power this government had to bend down to. I salute the people's power. There is no doubt about that. But question is, who was behind this people's power? Everybody feels the entire united opposition work, the NGOs work, they are all upbeat. Sarkarak आम्ही शिकवले बरं. But I have a different opinion. It is very clear, first of all, that never ever after Junior Rani getting elected that anyone, any group had the courage to openly revolt against him. Now here is a project where Junior Rani makes it a big bravado that nobody can stop it. And it will come up in Melauli as long as he is the MLA. Fair enough, so far so good. Also, very well planned, the Chief Minister backed him. Chief Minister refused to go to talk to the people. But the uprising was increasing. Who are these people? Is a question mark. There are enough reports, there are enough talks that are taking place in politically conscious people that all those people who suddenly started gathering even from the neighboring villages to support Melauli people, which is a good thing. But who is behind it? Question is now, were they BJP sympathizers? Were they BJP voters? Were they their parivar family that all got together? And beauty part was that Rane came to his knees. He was so nervous, it can be seen very clearly on the TV, that he immediately said, I am writing and asking for the cancellation of a project that could have brought him, he himself claimed, it would be a pride for Goa. It would be better investment than MOPA, bigger investment, people would benefit and I will never allow it to stop. Falls on his knees and goes to the Chief Minister and says, stop it, withdraw it from there. And very surprisingly, even before 48 hours could get over, the Chief Minister agrees to cancel it. What does this tell you? Now, the other day there was a agitation for water. Now to cap it all, the people of Melauli and that area, Satari Taluka, have started rising up and raising questions about their land rights. The demand of their land rights is justified and it was due long time back. Who did not work on it? And very surprisingly, and not surprisingly, to me at least, the Chief Minister accepts the memorandum and makes a categorical statement that so many people ruled this, governments were there, but nobody took interest of this. What is it saying? Who was in control of the Satari Taluka if not the Rani family? He has given a clear message, they do not do it, I will do it. So in this scenario, my question is Junior Rani losing his grip? Now, it is well known that the chief minister is least bothered about the environment of Goa. But the moment somebody tries to blackmail him, he has kicked them out. It has been seen politically. They are on the streets. This character, Mr. Rani, who is known to be throwing tantrums in every political party or wherever he went, today is completely like a subdued cat. All the time making statements ever but such a way, his weakness is such a way that I am working under the direction of the Honorable Chief Minister. I am working under the direction of our leader and party president. This type of statements repeatedly saying is only आमचे भाशेन तिंचो तूं गुलाम जालाय. Question is that whether in the coming days the tantrums and his very ticket will be at stake. It is well known that in Goa and throughout India there is so-called known as the Samaj politics. Fortunately in Goa, the party president, the chief minister and Junior Rani belong to the same Samaj. Therefore there cannot be any criticism on that. It will be very interesting to watch, because no one can be underestimated in this scenario, is my opinion. And what I am saying, you now listen to a seasoned politician of Goa who has been taught a very good lesson by the BJP, his statement and further small clippings.
विषय हाताळून नवे नवे कोर्सेस थंय चालू करपाक सुरवात केली आणि आज जवळ जवळ 4 वर्सां पूर्ण जाली. आणि इतले आसतना हो हट्ट मेळावलीक IIT व्हरपाचो कोणी केलो आनी कित्याक केलो काय हाचे फाटल्यान एक कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर थंयचो आसा ताका सोंपोवपाचो प्रयत्न अशें आमकां दिसपाक लागला.
कोणी ओपोज केल्यार ITI थंय येतली, IIT थंय येतली. IIT येवप म्हणजे गोंय राज्याक फेदर इन द कॅप.
आमी कुडशासून येयल्ले तशें आमचे खुबशे लोक येयले हांगा. तर मेळावेकारांनी आमकां एक उलो मारलो की आमकां सपोर्ट करचो म्हणून. तशेंच आमी सगळे लोक जे आहात ते तांकां सपोर्ट करतले म्हणून येयल्या. आनी अशेंच जो पर्यंत ही IIT हांगा कॅन्सल जायना तो पर्यंत आमी तेंच्या वांगडा आसतले. आनी तशेंच हांव गव्हर्मेंटाकूय सांगूंक सोदता की जाता तितली बेगीन ही कॅन्सल करची आनी खंय तरी दुसरे कडेन व्हरची.
आता विलेजर्स जे आहा पळय न्ही रे, हांव तुका सांगता म्हाजो अंदाज आयिल्ल्या पैकी थंयसर 13 जाणांची फक्त जागा आशिल्ली. तांच्यांनी हात वयर केला त्या प्रमाणे, त्याच्या वयर लोकांची जागा ना.